Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic8 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and haptics. Then let's scroll and find this ringtone section, and as you can see here we've got the phone ringtone, which is divided between two different SIM cards. So basically we can set a completely different ringtone for the first SIM card and completely different for the second one. So let me just tap on this option. As you can see here we can choose for which SIM card we would like to change the ringtone. I'll pick the first one. And here we've got the pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. So as you can see we've got plenty of options to choose from. At the bottom of this list we've got this option none, which means that after choosing it your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. Moreover, at the top we've got this option music on device, and if you will enter it you will be transferred to your own files. So if you've got, for example, something downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere here, of course if it is compatible, and you will be able to choose it and set it as your ringtone. But let me go back to the pre-installed ones because we've got plenty of options to choose from. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it and then check whether you like it or not, and basically this is how it works. So let's pretend I'd like to set maybe this beauty moment as my ringtone. So all we have to do is to simply tap on apply next to the ringtone. Make sure that you can see this option, this button changed to applied, and now we cannot really tap on it, and this is our sign that we just successfully set the ringtone. Moreover, we can go back, and as you can see in the phone ringtone next to the SIM 1 we've got the name of the ringtone we've just chosen, which means that your device will now use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.